Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Keralakam CBSE School Mudol online classes. So I hope you all remember me because already I have taken some classes for you, but still I want to introduce myself. My name is Sagar Deshpande. I am from Yadwad and I completed my MTech in VTU Belgavi. And from today onwards, I will take care of mathematics. And I got to know that already you completed your exercise 2.4. So I will start with the exercise 2.5, which is based on decimal numbers. So before directly starting with exercise 2.5, we will discuss some basic things or introduction part of decimal numbers. Okay. So here in page number 46, they are given that you have learnt about decimal numbers in the earlier classes. Let us briefly recall them here. Look at the following table and fill up the blank spaces. So here in page number 46 they have given one table based on the decimal numbers only, and they have given here that already you have learnt about decimal numbers. So I hope you all know what is decimal number. What is decimal number? Suppose for example consider 25.23. This is how to read this number 25.23. So this point is known as decimal point and this number is known as decimal number 25.23. So now they have given one table here. In decimal number only they have given places like hundreds. In first column they are given hundreds value in a decimal number. Next tens value. After that they are given values of ones or units place. Next after that they are again given hundreds, thousands. Hundreds means 1 by 100 place. After this they have given thousands place. Thousands place means 1 by 1000. And finally in last column they are given number. So here in hundreds place in the first row what they are given 2. Like this they are given table. So in first column what they are given 2 in hundreds place. Next in tens place what they are given 5. Again in ones place what they are given 3. Tenths tenths place means here before hundreds place there will be another column tenths place. Sorry, first there will be tenths place and this is known as 1 by 10. After this hundreds place, this is 1 by 100. So here in this table in first row what they are given tenths value means 1 by 10. 1 by tenths value is 1 here. Okay. This is the number which will come after decimal point. See here this example very carefully. After tenths place, what they are given? Hundreds place. What is that? 4. 4. Next thousandths place is 7. This is 7. So here the number is written as 200, means because this 2 is in place of hundreds, therefore 253, because 5 is in the place of tens and 3 is in the place of 1, therefore 253. Here I will write 253 point, because this is tenths place. So these numbers, tenths, hundreds, thousands, numbers will come after decimal point. So here 253 point, tenths place we will write first. What is that? 1. After that hundreds place, what is that? 4. Next thousandths place, what is there? 7. So 253.147. Listen carefully. I will explain this example once again. In first column, what they are given, hundreds place means this is 100. Tens place means this is 10. Ones place means units place. This is ones place. Next, tenths place means these are the numbers, tens, hundreds, thousands. These are the numbers which will come after decimal point. So here tenths place means 1 by tenth value. Hundreds place means 1 by hundredth value. Thousands place means 1 by thousand value. So here by observing these numbers we can write the number. How? This is 2 is at the position hundreds. So 2 into 100 means what you will get? 200. So 205 is at the position tens. Therefore 253, because 3 is at the ones or units place. Therefore 253 point. These all numbers come after decimal point. Therefore point 1 is at the 1 by 10th position, so we'll write it first. Therefore 1. Next 100 position will come after 10th position, therefore 1. 4. Next one is 7, because 7 is at the 1000th position, therefore 147. 253.147. Let us see second example, which is given in second row. So here at the hundreds position 6 is there. So here they have given 6, and after 6 at the tens position they have given 2. After tens position at the ones position, what they have given? 9. So here I will write 9. Next at the tens position they have given 3. Next hundreds position, what they have given? 2. Next thousands position they have given 1, and here we should write the number. So how to write the number? 600, and because 6 is at the 100th position, therefore 600, and next 2 is at the 10th position and 9 is at the ones or units position, therefore 629 point. Next 3 is at the 1 by tens, means 10th position, therefore this 3, 2, 1, these numbers will come after decimal number only. So here I will write 3 first, because this is at the 10th position. Next I will write 2, because this is at the 100th position. Next I will write 1, which is at the 1000th position. So the given number is 629.321 is the answer. So now let us see next example. Here in third example, means in third row, what they are given? 0 at the hundredths position and 4 at the tens position and 3 at the ones position. Here we should write ones. and 1 at the tens position, and 9 at the hundredths position, and finally 2 at the thousandths position. So what is the difference here? So here at the hundredths position they have given 0. Other than this, they are given all the numbers in tens position, ones, tenths position, hundreds position, and thousands position. So here in hundreds position you can write 0 or you can leave it. So here what we will get, 0 into 100 means at the 100th position what we will get, 0 into 100 means you will get 0 only. So you can write 0 also or you can leave that number 0. So next, at the tens position what is the number they are given, 4, and at the ones position or units position what they are given, 3. Therefore what we can write here, at the tens position 4 and at the ones position 3 means 43 point, because after this ones position these decimal numbers will come, these numbers will come after decimal point. So first one is tens position, what is that, 1. Next one is hundredths position, that is 9, and next one is thousandths position, that is 2. Therefore what we will get here, 43.192, or you can write before 43 0 also, because at the hundredths position 0 is there. So if 0 comes before 43, then also how you can read, how you can read 43.192 only. Okay, so here you can write 0 or you can leave that number 0. So here 0 is at the hundredths position. So now in next example, means in fourth row they have not given hundredths position. Here they have not given hundredths position, and in tens position they have given 1, and in ones position they have given 4. Next at the tens position they have given 2, at the hundredths position what they have given, 5. Here I will write 5. And next at the thousandths position what they have given, 1. So here we should write this hundreds number, and they are given the final answer number. What is the number they are given? 514. Here they are given 514.251. 251. So now you can observe here what they are given. 1 is at the tens position, here they are given 1 at the tens position, and 4 at the ones position, 4 they are given in ones position only, and these numbers 251 means tens, hundreds, thousands numbers will come after decimal point. So here after decimal point they are given 251, here they are given 251. So here at the hundreds position what is the number they have written here, 5, means here at the hundreds position you should write what is the number, 5 is the answer. Okay, so these are the different examples. See here in first example directly they have given at the 100th position 2, and at the 10th position 5, ones position 3, tens position, these are the numbers will come after decimal point again 147. Therefore directly they have given 253147. Okay, like that only in second example also it is directly written 629 means 629.321 is the answer here. And in third example here at the hundredths position 0 is there, so here in the answer also you can write 0 before 43, or you can leave it. Because if you write 0 also, how you will read it? 43 only. Or if you leave it, again it is 43 only. Because 0 is there at the hundredths position. Therefore answer is 43.192. But here in the fourth example, what they have given? They have given final answer here. But here you should write hundreds number. Tens 1 is there at the tens position, 4 is there at the ones position, 2 is at the tenths position, 5 is at the hundredths, and 1 is at the thousandths position. And the answer is given as 514.251. So that what we can do here, at the hundredths position they are given 5. Okay, so here at the hundredths position, what you should write here? 5 only. So here 5 is the answer. So now, like this only, they are given another 4 examples. Try to solve those 4 examples. These 4 examples are very similar to these first 4 examples only. Okay, and if you got any doubt, you can contact me. So now I will discuss about how to expand these decimal numbers. How to expand these decimal numbers. So now we will see how to expand one decimal number. So for example, consider 253, 253.1417. So now by observing this, you can tell that 2 is at the hundredths position. This 2 is at the hundredths position, and this 5 is at the tenths position, and this 3 is at the ones position. Okay, and after this decimal point, what are the positions? 4 is at the tenths position. Tenths means 1 by 10 position. Next, 1 is at the hundredths position, means 1 by hundredths position. Next, 7 is at the thousandths position. Therefore, 7 means this is at the position 1 by 1000. So here we will expand this number. The first we will consider this 2. 2 into this number is at the hundredths position. Therefore, what we will write? 2 into 100 plus. Next, 5 is at the tens position. Therefore, what we will do? 5 into 10. Okay. Next, plus we will consider this 3. 3 is at the units position or ones position. So how to write it? 3 into 1 plus. So now 2, after 253, this is the decimal point. After this again 417 is there. So now we will consider this 4. So 4 into 4 is at the tenths position. Therefore 4 into tenths position means 1 by 10 plus, what is the next number? 1. So now 1 is at the hundredths position. Hundredths position means 1 into 1 by 100 plus. Next, what is the number? 7. So now this 7 is at the thousandths position. So how to write thousandths position? 7 into 1 by 1000. See it again. What is the number they have given? 253.417. So now first we will consider 2. So 2 is at the hundredths position. Therefore what we are doing here? 2 into 100 plus. Next number is 5, which is at the tens position. Therefore 5 into 50. Next, plus. What is the next number? 3. 3 is at the units position or ones position. Therefore 3 into 1 plus. What is the next number? 4. This 4 is at the tenths position, means 1 by 10 position. Therefore 4 into 1 by 10. Next one is 1. So plus 1 into This 1 is at the hundredths position, means 1 by 100 position, therefore 1 into 1 by 100. Okay, next one, plus 7, next number is 7. This is at the thousandths position, means 1 by 1000 position, therefore 7 into 1 by 1000. This is how to expand one decimal number. Okay, I hope you all are clear with these concepts. In next class I will continue with some more examples on decimal numbers, and I will discuss exercise 2.5. Thank you all.